Okay, so we're looking at the slope of a line. And in this example, it tells us to start at 1, 3. So does everyone agree that this is coordinate 1, 3? Some of you mix this up on your test. We always read x, we move along the x-axis first, and then y. So I move right 1, up 3. So this point tells us where to start. And then we're told that we need to draw a line that has a slope of 2 over 3. Which one's the rise? 2 is the rise, and 3 is the run. Is it positive or negative slope? Good, it's a positive, so it's going to rise to the right. So starting at this point, this is my starting point. Everyone look here. We have to rise 2, so 1, 2, and then what? We have to run, so we move which way, left or right? Right, how many? And that is my second point, and now we can connect the points. If we were to continue this, how would I, so starting from this point, what do I have to do? How many do I have to rise? Rise 2, and then run 3, so I move to the right, 1, 2, 3, and here's my next point. All we're doing is extending this line. Remember we learned that it doesn't matter which points you choose. If it's a straight line, the slope will be the same all the way through, right? We can continue. Rise 2, run 3. Oops. Okay, and there's my line. This line has a slope of 2 over 3. So we want to draw a line that starts at 2, 5. Right, we need to move, we start at the origin, we need to move 2 to the right, and then what? Go up 5. So this is my starting point. Did everyone have that point plotted? Now it says we need to draw a line that has a slope of 2. Well, I know the rise of the line is 2. What's the run? What can I divide anything by that won't change it? Good. So we're going to rise from here, positive or negative slope? So we go up or down? Up 2, and then left or right 1? Right 1. There's my second point. I'm drawing my line. Let's extend it. Draw another point. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. I can keep going. Up 2, right 1. And I'm going to draw the points, and then I can connect the points and draw my line. So did I start at 2, 5? Yes, here's the starting point. Does each segment have a slope of 2 over 1? Yes. So we've drawn the line properly. Last example. Start at 4, negative 2. So I start at the origin and I move which way? Positive 4, right 4, and then up or down 2. This is where I start. Let's call this A. Okay, everyone has that point. Now we need to draw a line that has a negative slope, so I know it's got to rise to the left or fall to the right, correct? So we need to rise negative 1. So we can draw it either way. Do you want to go up or down? Want to start by going down? Okay, so we'll go down 1, and then what? Right 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's the other point. We can extend it again. Down 1, right 3. Okay, and we can connect the points. Now, what if I wanted to go the other way? What if I wanted to go up 1? So let's say I change this to positive 1. What does 3 have to be? Negative. Okay? A negative and a positive still gives us a negative slope. A positive and a negative still gives us a negative slope. It's still going to be a negative slope. So if we rise 1, I have to go left or right 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll check to see, does that still look like a straight line? Yes. Yeah. Okay? So you can extend it either way. I want you guys to extend it the other way as well. Both ways. So we'll do one more. Rise 1, left 3.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.